Undelenic tincture is used to treat skin fungal infections like athlete's foot and jock itch. It contains undecylenic acid, which stops the growth of fungus. It's important to note that this product should not be used for fungal infections on the scalp or nails. For best results, apply a thin layer of the tincture to the affected area once or twice a day. It's best to apply it after showering or bathing. Always follow the instructions on the label and consult a doctor if you have any concerns. When using Undelenic tincture, make sure to only apply it to the skin. Clean and thoroughly dry the area before applying the medication. Use it on the affected skin twice a day, or as directed by your doctor. The amount and duration of treatment will depend on the type of infection you have. Apply enough medication to cover the affected area and some of the surrounding skin. After applying, remember to wash your hands. Do not wrap, cover, or bandage the area. Avoid applying this medication in the eyes, nose, mouth, or vagina. If this happens, flush with plenty of water. If irritation occurs, contact your doctor immediately. Use this medication regularly at the same times each day to get the best results. Continue using it for the full time as directed, even if your symptoms improve after a few days. Stopping the medication too early may cause the infection to return. If your condition persists after 2 to 4 weeks, worsens at any time, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, be sure to consult with your doctor. When using Undelenic tincture, you may experience irritation or burning of the treated skin. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to promptly consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that if your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. While a severe allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's crucial to seek immediate medical help if you notice any symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's also important to keep in mind that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. Side effects can also be reported to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects and report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using undecylenic acid, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems. If you have any health problems, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. And before undergoing any surgery, let your doctor or dentist know about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's important to tell your doctor before using this medication. And if you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using undecylenic acid, as it's unknown if this drug passes into breast milk. When using Undelenic tincture, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can affect how your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not make any changes to your medication dosage without first consulting your doctor. It's crucial to follow their guidance to ensure the safe and effective use of Undelenic tincture. It's important to note that Undelenic tincture should not be swallowed, as it can be harmful if ingested. In the event of an overdose with serious symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911. Otherwise, contacting a poison control center is advised. In the US, residents can reach their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. It is important not to share Undelenic tincture with others. When using this medication to treat athlete's foot, it is recommended to wear well-ventilated shoes and change socks at least once a day to help with the treatment process. If you forget to take a dose of Undelenic tincture, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time of your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the usual time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. When using Undelenic tincture, it's important to store it according to the instructions on the package and keep it out of reach of children and pets. Make sure to dispose of this product properly when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. It is not recommended to flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.